Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply electro headphones effect to your face in CapCut. So you can tap on your project and select your video or photo you like to edit. But I'm going to open my project. So there is a video and I'm going to add the electro headphones. Just click on effect, select body effect and scroll to the right to find the so it's going to glowing lines, and you can find electro headphones. This is new effect. You can adjust for the color and adjust for the duration. So basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Okay, then thank you so much for watching.